So guys, in the last couple of weeks now, I think about 4 to 5 weeks now, I have been rocking my hair in these gorgeous knotless braids, and life has been such a breeze for me since I installed these braids in my hair. And these braids are pretty long, as you can see. I also have already posted a video of how I install these braids in my hair, and if you haven't watched that video yet, I will put a link to that video in the description box below. But yeah, it has been really such an ease for me to wake up and go and don't have to bother on what I have to do to my hair, how I'm going to style my hair today, and especially because I am with my toddler. So this has been such a relief for me, especially during those times when you just want to get a break from your hair. So I have been loving these braids, loving the braid life, and in this video I just want to share with you guys some of the ways and how I do in order to take care of especially my scalp during this period that I wore these braids. Even though these braids come with a lot of advantages, most especially because they are very gentle to the scalp. You actually have to start with your own natural hair, and no much tension is being put to your scalp. I really love it. The downside to them is that they get old really fast, but that's not an issue for me because I don't intend to wear them for so long. So getting right into how I prepare my concoction or my solution in order to clean and take care of my scalp. Now what I use is some apple cider vinegar, some aloe vera juice. I also go in with some essential oil, and here I'm using the rosemary essential oil. You can add any oil of your choice, and also I'm using some water, and I decided to go in with warm water just because I think since the water is warm, it will help to kind of wake up the gunk and the build up from your scalp easily. So I'm going in here with like a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. Yeah, so that much. And you can put as much or as less as you want. Then I'm also going in with some of this aloe vera juice. Really, I didn't have specific measurements for the solution, but the whole idea behind it is you don't want to use a lot, like so much, such that your scalp is being irritated. And then here I'm putting in a few drops of my essential oil. You want to be careful with this as well. And then I pour in my water. I eventually added more water than I had in here. You can even do like some of the stripe tests so that you know the pH level of what solution you are working with if you have a very sensitive or irritated scalp. Then I'm going to use this cloth to dip into this solution and to clean my scalp with it. Now for the rest of the video, we will be doing it in the bathroom because it's going to be messy from now on. From the front section, as I during installation created vertical paths going to the back, I'm just going to follow or trace those paths, holding the other side of my hair down and dipping the cloth into the solution that I have already mixed and just trying to clean my hair as much as I can to the best of my ability, but trying to be gentle and not very rough or creating any abrasion to my scalp. So I'm going from all section to section, trying not to miss out on any section. I'm taking the cloth and cleaning vertically down and across the different lines horizontally. And you don't want to be in any sort of rush. You just want to take your time and to make sure that you cleanse your hair properly. But washing could be a preferable option, but just because I don't like washing my braids, so this was some kind of an alternative method of making sure I do some kind of cleaning to my scalp. And after this session, I think I wore my hair just for about a week, and then I had to take down the braids, but this really helped a lot with some of the itching that I was already experiencing. And you will see after the end of this cleaning session that my scalp looked dramatically clean than what it looked before when I had not cleaned it. So I'm taking my time pulling the hair apart, trying not to cause any kind of tangling or unnecessary breakage. Taking it column after column, row after row, and trying to clean properly along the path and close to the roots of my hair. It was quite easy to clean the front section of my hair since I created this vertical path, but back over to the back section of my hair, I just did random braids. So I kind of using my hands to clean the different sections, and yep, that was all I did, and it is pretty repetitive. You will see as I clean it. So I will just leave you guys to get the visuals. I hope the visuals of this explains the process more than me talking, because I seem not to be very good to explain this process, but that is basically what I did and how I cleanse my scalp during this protective hairstyle.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten.
So once I was done cleaning my hair with the solution, I now soaked the entire microfiber cloth into very clean water, and then I went again onto the different parts, just trying to press that to my root again and to give it one proper clean. And using my other hand, I just separate the part and clean as much as I can. It took me about 25 to 30 minutes to clean my entire hair, and afterwards I just went in with some, here is some olive oil. I went in with that into my scalp and applied that, and then I massaged my scalp, and my hair felt so good after this, and it also looks so clean and very relieved. Going in with this oil all along the different parts of my hair, and not forgetting my hairline as well. You want to make sure that you're taking care of your hairline very well.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you.
And once I was done with applying the oil, I went ahead and gave myself a really good scalp massage.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along?
So you want to make sure that even though your hair is in any sort of a protective style, you're still taking care of your scalp, you're taking care of your hair in that protective style, so that you are not defeating the purpose of protecting your hair.
There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever.
So guys, as you can see, my hair looks and feels really clean. I mean my scalp, and that's the focus. I just wanted to concentrate to my scalp to make sure that I cleanse it, to take care of all the itchiness that I was having, so that I could just extend this protective hairstyle a couple more days or even a week. And I actually achieved what I wanted. So this might be something you might want to try. Are you having some itchiness with your box braids, with your knotless braids, or any kind of protective hairstyle? Would you want, is this something you might want to try? Kind of a DIY fast and easy way to cleanse your scalp. But this is how I took care of my scalp, and then I just put my hair in a bun and continued with my activities. And yep, that concludes the end of this video. And if you like this video, if you like what we do here on this channel, make sure to hit on that subscribe button. If you're not yet subscribed, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and until my next one, see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Yeah, alright.